Hi, I'm Shannon.
I'm Jason,
and we're the Shibaguyz. Welcome to Clover Tool School.
Extra credit.
Hi everyone, this is Jason, and this month's Tool School is all about the Clover Snag Repair Needle. Now these are really cool things. Take a look at this. You can see how they're kind of bumpy there on the end, but they go to a nice thin needle on the bottom. There are two of them. There's a large one and a small one, so you can use them for different types of fabrics, and here's how they work. Imagine you're walking down the street and you just happen to accidentally snag your favorite sweater. Oh no, what are you going to do? Like this happens to me all the time, apparently. I don't know why, but it does. Anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my Clover Snag Repair Needle. I'm going to insert it from the front side to the back, right through the center of that snag. And I'm going to let the little bumpy parts grip that part that's snagged out and pull it right on through to the back side, just like that. Look at that, isn't it pretty? Okay, so it's not perfect yet, but using the needle part, we're just going to adjust that tension a bit, and that is almost invisible now. And this is why everyone needs one of these snag repair needles. So take a look at this beautiful sweater. This happens to be from our book, Crochet Geometry. We travel around with these pieces, and every now and then we get some popped ends that happen to come through. This one actually pulled all the way through from the back side. You can see that there's the seam that it should be in, but unfortunately it has pulled all the way out. So I need to get that back to the other side. Here's my needle. I'm just going to go ahead and insert it right through where that came up. And with yarn, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that this gets in nice and tight. So I'm just going to go ahead and circle this a couple of times. Pull that right down and on through. You don't have to yank on it, just gently pull, and it's going to pop right through, just like that. I'll pull the end all the way out, and now that popped end is back on the inside where it should be, but I still need to get it buried away. So, doing the same thing, I'm just going to go ahead and insert my needle underneath a couple of these yarns in the back here. And now I'm going to wind that thread around one more time, making sure it catches right in those grooves, and then pull it right on through. Again, you don't have to yank on this. It's going to catch, but it might be a little tight, so just let it do its work, and there it came right on out. That thread is now buried again, and all I have to do is just clip off the end, and it is set to go. We can take this back on the road again, and you can see there is what that looks like from the front now. And there you go. Those are the Clover Snag Repair Needles. They come with two in each pack, a smaller one and a larger one, and they're perfect for repairing snags or popped ends in any sort of knit or crocheted fabric.